Good morning, students. Welcome to Good Samaritan School Isapur online classes. This is your social studies class, and today we are going to study chapter 4 Maps, Questions and Answers. So let's begin. Answer the following questions briefly. The first question is, what are the three components of a map? So we have studied the three components of a map are distance, direction and the symbol. Question 2. What are the four cardinal directions? Answer. The four cardinal directions are north, south, east and west. What do you mean by the term the scale of the map? Answer. The term the scale of the map means the ratio between the actual distance on the ground and the distance shown on the map. So both of these ratio is the scale of a map. D. How are maps more helpful than a globe? Answer. Maps provide more information than a globe. A globe can be useful when we want to study the earth as a whole. But when we want to study only part of the earth as about a country or a state, globe is of little help. In such a situation, only maps are useful. So this is the advantage of the maps. E. Distinguish between a map and a plan. So the differences between a map and a plan are, in a map, we can study a part or whole of the earth, but in a plan is the detailed drawing of a small area. So this is just a drawing, but this is a proper map. A map contains a lot of information. In plan, details are given in forms of symbols. A map shows only the important features of the area. A plan can show the details in all the length and breadth of the area. So this way these two are different from each other. F. Which map provides detailed information? Answer. A thematic map provides detailed information. G. How do symbols help in reading map? Answer. Symbols are an important part of a map. They give a lot of information in a limited space. With the use of symbols, maps can be drawn easily and are simple to read. So, making drawings is difficult in maps. So, instead of drawings, we can show the all the details using the symbols. Even if we don't know the language of an area and therefore cannot ask someone for directions, we can collect information from maps with the help of symbols, because symbols are universal, so we can use that to get the information. The second one is, take the correct answer. A. Maps showing distribution of forests are physical map, thematic map or a political map. So the answer is thematic map. B. The blue color is used for showing water bodies, mountains or plains. Answer is first one, water bodies. A compass is used to show symbols, to find the main directions or to measure distance. The answer is compass is used to find the main directions, the second one. D. A scale is necessary for a map, for a sketch or for a symbol. The answer is for a map. Scale is necessary for a map. So children, you have to write all these questions and answers in your notebook. I hope you understood all of these. We will meet again in the next class.